Today we're showing you a New Holland T4.75 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive open operator station unit with a New Holland 655 TL quick attach front loader. Tractor has low hours. I believe it's 600 or 700 hours. Double check the listing there, but I believe it's right around 600 or 700 hours. Has a skid steer cell hookup here for your bucket connection. Bucket's in nice shape. The loader's in nice shape. It is plumbed operator grapple. That is simply hosing to the rear remote, so it does not have the third function. That hosing is strictly going to the rear remote of the tractor. Paint's in great shape on the tractor and loader. Has good Galaxy Radial tires on it. Flat deck operator platform there for the operator. Very comfortable platform. Offers great visibility as well. Has the canopy top, dual remotes back here, and again one set's running up front for that third function on the grapple function. Has the 540 PTO drawbar, telescopic 3-point arms, rear work light. Just a very clean tractor. Suspension seat here for the operator. 12-speed transmission. You've got 3 ranges down below, 4 gears up top there. Have your remote levers, hand throttle, 3-point, and also your PTO engagement all over there to the right. Your four-wheel drive is switch engaged all the way up top there. Looks like it's got just under 700 hours on it. Nice clean tractor. Again, we do offer low rate financing, can also arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. We can also do trade-ins. If you have a trade you'd like us to take a look at, feel free to give us a ring. We can work those numbers off of pictures. If you have any questions, please contact us at masttractor.com.